Thanks for joining us again. The Accountant General of the Federation has promised now to intervene in the face-off between the Joint Health Workers Union and the Federal Ministry of Health over 2 months of seized salaries.
Mr. Ahmed Idris stated this when he paid a courtesy call to the union in Abuja. Correspondent Josiah tells us more.
The Accountant General's visit is strategic. It comes at a time the workers are planning to protest the seizure of their 2-month salaries over an industrial action. The Accountant General of the Federation chooses to prevail on the leaders to hold on while he wades in. Here, the workers say labor issues are pitching them against the ministry, especially over their salaries being withheld.
We are begging him, through you, we are begging, that he should rekindle the trust and the commitment of our members to join in the fight against corruption by paying those monies that were held as a result of we fighting corruption. That it should make us to believe that between corruption and the forced strike that people are using as an alibi to say, to deny us of our salaries, that the fight against corruption we are doing is more important to him and the regime.
They also reiterate their stance against privatization of public health institutions. The workers insist the elimination of corruption in the system remains one sure way of energizing Nigeria's public health infrastructure.
So the major intent of the privatization is just to say we have sold it, go back and buy it at peanuts, and then come and then deprive Nigerians of the health services. As we speak today in Nigeria, over 75% of the health institutions in Nigeria are private run. Then is it when they take the remaining less than 1/4 that is run by the public that healthcare will become a better thing?
On his part, the Accountant General expresses gladness at the foresight of the union in providing revenue-generating measures, including a 300-bed specialist hospital under construction. Mr. Idris assures his hosts he will approach the right quarters on their demands.
This consideration for welfare of members, which is the cardinal principal objective of any union anyway, has been given prominence. But above all, I can attest from what I heard and seen practically that your union is supportive to policies of government.
The workers express confidence in the ability of Mr. Idris to initiate a truce in order to avert another round of industrial dispute in the sector. Josiah, TVC News, Abuja.